Hey there, welcome to my channel, which will be your new home for unlocking the magic of motion graphic design, and video editing. My name is Raphael, and I'm super excited to embark on this creative journey with you. Are you just starting out in online, or are you looking to uplift your skills? Then you have landed in the right place. I remember when I first started as a motion artist and a graphics designer, it wasn't simple as I thought, but now I would gladly tell you that you can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you get. On this channel, we would be exploring the basics of animation, breaking down complex techniques, creating awesome projects together, designing cool graphics, and adding life to your video with motion graphics. So, are you ready to turn your creative ideas into action? Hit that subscribe button below now. And don't forget to also ring the bell so you never miss out on my upcoming tutorials. I cannot wait to see what we will create together. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. Quickly subscribe now, and let's get this creative ideas flowing. See you soon. Bye.